To download assessment data, start in the Assessments tab. Click View All Results, or click one of the filter categories below. You can filter the results for specific tags, North Star topics, or a date range. It is important to remember that if you enter multiple tags, the results will only include assessments that have all of those tags. If you want to search for assessments with one or another tag, click Or Other Tags. When you have the parameters set the way you want, click Apply Filter. Then, click Download CSV. Your browser will download the data as a CSV spreadsheet. Find the download and open it. The filtered data is now available in a spreadsheet.